Hey guys, BJ here with the Elite Traffic Society, and you're watching this video because you want to learn an effective way to introduce your content, your business opportunity, your product or service to 10,000 to 100,000 new eyeballs every single day. And if you're reading ahead, you're already going to see what I'm talking about here and how I'm going to help you accomplish that. But if not, let me kind of introduce you to the concept and then we'll get started. It is very simple and effective to run Facebook video ads and YouTube video ads. If you, for instance, take a video and you put it onto Facebook, onto your fan page, and you run a Facebook video ad for it, and if you don't know how to do that, later in this video, I'm going to be talking about how I'm going to walk you through hands-on teaching you all of that stuff so you don't have to worry about, oh my goodness, I don't even know how to get that far. No worries, we're going to help you get there. If you run a Facebook video ad and you suck at it, if you absolutely suck at it, you're going to get about a penny per view in a cost, right? So you could spend, for instance, $10 and get 1,000 views for that $10 budget, right? Now, if you get just okay at it, you're going to get, 1/10 of a penny, which is where our cheat sheet starts. Once you get good at it, you're going to get 1/100th of a penny per video view, which means you could run that same $10 a day budget. And instead of just seeing 1,000 people, now you're going to see 100,000 viewers or more for that same $10 a day budget, checking out your video content about whatever your product or service is, about joining your list for some free giveaway that you're giving them, for about your product, for about your business opportunity that you're trying to introduce them to, or even just as a connection video to get them onto your social media and get them following you to build that social media presence, which we know nowadays in 2017, about to be 2018, is so important, right? So we're going to help you achieve actually walking you through some of this stuff, helping you master both sides of this element. Because obviously, if you're listening right now, I'm going to address a fear you might be having, which is, BJ, I'm not comfortable in front of the camera, or I'm not even doing video ads yet because I've been waiting for the right person to teach me or the right content to come along and help me overcome this gap, overrun this hurdle, and make sure that the learning curve is mastered before I dive in and make myself look stupid, right? Well, we're actually going to address some of that right now. As you notice, you're watching a video right now and you don't see me. And even though I'm talking with my hands and I'm using my emotion, you can probably hear it in my voice, my mannerisms, you can't see them, right? So in case you're worried about that or concerned about that, we're going to teach you little tricks of the trade, such as, the service that I'm using right now, Camtasia, or different services, screen share services, or things like that, to where you don't have to be involved in the video, and yet you can still produce the content and get it out there and get your message done. And we're going to teach you little walkthrough steps and cheat codes like that to get you to, like we said, not only mastering the video ad marketing side so that you can constantly have video content, whether it's your content or someone else's content. Like I said, that's something we'll talk about. That's a cheat code we'll talk about. But literally, we're also going to teach you then how to master where you should put that video once you have it, and how you should run it to get more, leads, get more sales, to get more viewers, to get some more subscribers, the different ways that your videos can help you build your business and build your following. So all of that stuff is going to be taught in modules, as you can see if you've been reading ahead. We have 5 modules on Facebook videos and 5 modules on YouTube ad videos, and of course, access to the 100K Cheat Code Facebook group. And we're going to talk about why those are two important things, and obviously about the other packages that you're going to get when you're a part of our beta program and you're a part of our 100K cheat code group. So here's what we're offering. Here's what we're thinking. Here's what we want to do for you. If you know by now, if you've seen any of my content talking about my Elite Traffic Society, you know that I have a very different belief when it comes to helping you succeed. I believe that you don't need some expensive course that's going to give you all the content. Like I said, you're going to get 5 modules, and you can just absorb those, and then you're on your own to do it, right? If I'm going to set you up, if I'm going to give you the base knowledge, I'm also going to walk you through getting it done for you. The Elite Traffic Society always took that to the next step, and we actually set up the ads for you, and we turned them on, and we ran them, and we split tested them, and we would actually turn around and run your advertising for you all month long. And that's actually included in what we're offering here. But we wanted to take it a step further because I want you all to be, like I said, my beta group, my beta program, my outcoming in the YouTube ads world. And I want you to kind of understand and master it yourselves so that you can give me a good testimonial video. You can go teach this stuff later if you want to. You can run with me if I decide to open this up wider and let you guys be the teachers and things of that nature. You can have successful base knowledge so that you can build whatever business you choose to build or whatever interest or hobby you choose to be following at that time that you want to turn a passion into a paycheck. You will have the ability to do that with what we're teaching you with these Facebook videos and YouTube videos. And we're doing it in a couple of different ways on top of those 5 video modules, right? The video modules are more just there in case you need a refresher, in case you want to dive deeper into meaning of what you're learning in the Facebook group. We're going to be updating this group with content every 3 days or so. And some of it will be video content, some will be posting content. Another thing that's going to happen is we're going to give you a strategy video marketing sit down session, right? I want to be hands on with you to help you master it. A buddy of mine, Darren Johnson, will tell you just how important it is to have a strategy sit down session with me because he actually runs a majority of his own Facebook ad content and marketing now on his own after just one sit down session with me, which eventually became 3 for other reasons. But just one sit down session really dedicated to honing in and teaching him that skill. So we wanted to give all of you this sit down session to help you master some things in video marketing. One, we'll address some discerns or concerns that you may be having about doing video yourself. Like I talked about, we'll show you a cheat sheet to how you don't even have to be on the video itself, so you don't have to worry about any of that. We can show you a cheat sheet to how you don't even have to talk on the video, how you can use other people's videos to build you not only a brand on the internet, but a successful business with customers and or team members, right? In that same strategy video marketing sit down session, we're going to then teach you the appropriate ways to use the video content that you have been creating or will start creating, or you'll start cheating and stealing from one of our cheat sheets, from one of our cheat codes that we give you. We're going to show you what it's appropriate for, if it's for lead generation, if it's just for social proof, if it's for sales closing, if it's a start of a funnel system, if it's for subscribers, etc. I don't want to blow your mind with content, but we'll show you what it's right for, and more importantly, then where to put it and how to use it to get it to fulfill the purpose that it's set out for. Then obviously, of course, on the ad side of things, in that same video marketing sit down session, if you're ready and your ad budgets allow it, we're going to walk you through setting up your very first Facebook video ad. And if you've done video ads before, we're going to walk you through setting up your very first Facebook video ad the way we teach you how to do it. And on the flip side, we're also going to talk to you about walking you through YouTube ads. Now, if you're not ready on that day for YouTube ads, that's fine. We'll actually do a second sit down session with you just to turn on those YouTube ads. It won't be blown out like this first strategy session, but we'll do it later down the line when you're all set up and ready to go. But if you are set up and ready to go at that moment, we'll also walk you through setting up and running your first video YouTube ad live on that one-on-one sit-down session. Now, that's just one sit-down session. You're going to get live classroom-style sessions with us where you come in and listen-only attendee mode. We might even do it Google Hangout webinar so you guys can see me and hear me live right there and be able to interact a lot easier to get your questions answered that way. and you're going to be able to get live classroom style webinar trainings to where we're going to teach you some of our cheat codes. We're going to teach you some of the ways that you can implement what we're teaching you to further your own efforts, aka teach you some things about organic reach, about organic marketing, about getting organic exposures to your ads so that Facebook and YouTube will lower the cost on your ads advertising because of the efforts that you're doing on the marketing side yourself. And we're going to teach you some of those things in a classroom style session that we're going to package up those live classroom webinars with the 5 modules on Facebook videos and the 5 modules on YouTube videos. And we're going to turn it into a front end product that you're going to get social proof from because you're going to be involved in that front end product creation. You're going to be one of our beta testers. You're going to be one of our case study group members, if you will. And of course, you're also going to get the affiliate rights to that front end product and to the back end things that I'm going to teach you about once you're already one of our members that are really, really exciting because this could be a new income stream that could provide a serious 4-figure to 5-figure per month income for you just from taking and being a part of the beta group and being able to promote what we're doing and what we're teaching you after we've created it and taught it to you and you have those skills and you have that edification. So this is a really, really vital type of offer. It's a wiry type of offer, if you will, because it could explode. You know, I could have 100 people try to be a part of this, and I have decided not to cap it yet. I just want to see. I already have a couple of dozen people interested in it. I just wanted to see what kind of interest is all the way out there, and if this is too much of an understanding for you, and maybe you just want us to run your ads for you. And if you're interested in that, just message me because we still do our Elite Traffic Society services and we will still run all of your Facebook ads for you and soon your YouTube ads for you as well. But just this is that next level. This is for those people that want to be able to say they can master it, that want to be able to log into their own back office and be able to set up an ad without having that fear of pressure of, did I do it right? Did I do it wrong? Am I about to waste $800 or $1,000 or $5? You don't have to have a big ad budget to waste money, right? You can blow $5 just like you can blow $1,000 on advertising. I wish I would blow $5. I tend to more blow $1,000 before I get stuff right, and then really take off from there. So maybe you just learned a little bit safer than I do, but maybe you're used to logging in and it all looking like a different language, right? And you don't know what's going on, and you just want to alleviate that. You want to know what all the different tabs mean. You want to know what all the different sayings are. You want to know how to split test interests properly. You want to know what those numbers mean when Facebook gives you analytical data back at 72 hours into running your ad or turning it on for the first time, or once every week after that for new analytical data. You want to be able to follow that and make the right adjustments to your ads to be able to scale up from there. We're going to teach you all of this stuff. Like I said, we can handle all of it for you if that's the type of mentality you want. But if this is what you're looking for, if this is an opportunity that you want, and you have $1,000, no, I'm just kidding. I really thought about putting a $1,000 price tag on this, and maybe when I turn it around and I make a front end product and I make this the back end on it, I might put a $1,000 price point on it. But for all of you beta testers, for all of you who want to be amongst the first to run this with me, for all of you who want to really master Facebook and YouTube video ads and get them running for your product or service or your business opportunity, or even just to build your following and your brand, I'm not going to charge you $1,000. I'm not even going to charge you $500. I'm actually only going to charge you $250 to be a part of this beta group, to get access to our 100K cheat code Facebook group, to get access to the 5 video modules on Facebook ads and the 5 video modules on YouTube ads, to get your very own one-on-one strategy marketing sit down session with me, to get those live classroom style webinar trainings that you can come out, watch, build your skills, ask questions live, get answered to get us running your Facebook video ads and running your YouTube ads, like we said, live on that sit down session, and then helping you tweak them from then on throughout the month. And obviously, the big two get the edification from being a part of the front end product creation and the affiliate rights to promote the front end product that you helped create, being a part of this beta group, and the back end services that you're going to promote that will build you a residual income that could be 4 figures or even 5 figures per month coming in for you from the work and from what you're learning in this process. So if this sounds like something you want to be a part of, if that's everything that you've been looking for and you are amazed that I'm giving it all away for $250, then I want you to message me back and let me know that you want to be a part of this group. If you see a buy button below this video, that means I decided to make it mainstream for everybody, and you can go ahead and buy in and you can be a part of this beta group while it's still around. If you're seeing this on Facebook, either reply a comment back or send me a message back, or click the link above this video and it'll take you where you need to go to be a part of what we're offering and to get that 250 sent over so that we can give you access to all of this. Once again, I appreciate you watching this. I hope you learned some great content about video ads and the way that you should structure your thoughts when you're going forward. In case you're a do-it-yourself kind of person and you want to do it yourself, I hope you took some great value away from this training. And I hope if you're a smart one who wants to learn in depth and you want to take your business to the next level, that you decide to be a beta program partner, that you decide to be a 100K cheat code member with us. I would love to help you take your business to the next level with both Facebook and YouTube video ads. Thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and let us know that you want to be a member. We'll get you signed up. We'll get you rocking and rolling, and watch our next video. I'll see you on the next video. And as always, I'll see you at the bank. Take care.